Am I really that much to handle? Breaking these figures down like a camera. You don't really know you are.
Hi everyone, this is Faith from 90 Days Fiancé before the next season 7. Right now, I'm doing my daily look for today. So right now, I'm putting some of primer. And after that, ayan, suklay-suklay sa buhok. Next, I will put some foundation, the 24/7 foundation. You put all the way and blend all the way from your whole face. And dum 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 dum. Alright, and yes, additional foundation to your face so that it makes flawless. Blend, blend, blend is the key for this. See that way? Super beautiful. And next is the contour, which is I'm using a foundation, dark foundation for my contour and for my nose, cheeks. And blending is the key. Alright. Ayan, sige. Dampa mo pati. Ayan, sige pa. Ayan. Ayan, suklay ulit. Ayan, suklay. Ayan, tapos hindi pa kontento. Ayan. Next, we can do a foundation. Ayan, magpaplatada na tayo para kumapit at magtagal ang punda ng maghapon hanggang gabi. Ayan, sige. Tantarin mo ate. Ayan. Ngayon kilay naman tayo, magkikilay tayo for today's video. Ayan, magdodrawing na naman tayo sa watercolor. Ayan, sa drawing book. Ayan, ayan, ako perfect. O, kabila. Ayan, sige te. Ayan. O, ayan, ayan, sige. Tantarin mo pa. O, pandi pantay, tanga. Ayan. Ayan, maglagay pa na additional. Ayan, gastos mo sa makeup ate. Ayan, ayan, maglalagay na ulit. Ayan, kumari magbe-blend. Kunwari, makeup guru. Sige. Ayan, pak. O, hanap na naman ulit. Ayan, tanda. Ayan, pak. So, di pantay, lagyan ng concealer ng very, very light. Ayan, sige pa ate. Ayan, go, go, go. Ayan, sige. Ayan. Pak, umagang-umaga, make up pa more. Ayan, pak. Okay, go push. Sige. Oh, additional foundation pa rin te. Ayan, spalto pa more. Pak. Blend, blend, blend. Sige, kembot mo yan. Ayan, push mo pa te. Hanapin mo pa. Oh, next. Alright. Ayan, sige ate. Oh, pak. Oh, eyeshadow. Oh, pak, eyeshadow brown pink. Oh, pak. Ayan. Ito na naman. Ayan, sige, hanapin mo pati. O, takong. Ayan, contour sa ilong. Ayan. Ayan, sige. Sige pa, contour ate. Ayan, blush on pa more. O, pak, blush on, blush on. Sige pa. Ayan, tantari po, blush on ate. Pak. Ganda-gandahan. Ayan, o, lipstick tayo. O, pak, o, diba? O, pak, finished product. Ayan, pak, o, da. Ayan, pagtingin sa salamin, mukhang maganda. Tak. Dagdag ng eyeshadow, ate. Pak. Ayan, ngayon naman, o, pak, o, lagot, o, lagay pa highlighter, o, pak, paling naman yung mukha, o, da, finish